everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a special package for you today. You have been seeing artwork, woodworks, painting on canvas and so on around you. It's time to show you the factory and educate you on things you need to know about art and crafts. Here is my journey to the art and crafts village in Abuja, Nigeria. Let's get into it. Before we go further, many people argue that some religion belief systems do not support image carving and painting on canvas, wood, and the rest. Some equally argue that carving and painting are just for decoration and beautification with no fetish attached. I met with some of these creative designers to hear from the horse's mouth.
My name is Ayeni. I came from Osun State. I'm a professional artist in Osun State. Many artists know me from Osun State because I started this work from 1972. All my children, that this work, I used money to go school every time. Many years I used for Osun State, almost 30 years I used for Osun State. The time I start this work, many people see me as a Babalawo, Babalawo Olichego. I say, no, I respect that Oyibo man, Father Karo. He said, if I do this thing, next time I go gain for this work. He teach me because that time, no money for that work. If you give me, if I carve this small figure like this, you can say, how much? 200 naira, 10 naira. See now, if I want to sell this one now, I go sell 5,000. The time I get money, I carve horse rider, 6 feet, for Osun State. That man, Oyibo people to come, say, wow, I like this statue. I said, how much? I said, give me 500,000. That time, they buy it from Yannick Gallery. I did Gallery Yannick that time.
The culture of artwork, is very interesting in Nigeria. As I started this work, it's from there I train my children, I travel, and whatever, anything from artwork, I gain it in my life. So I enjoy it.
All this woman, old woman, we travel. All this one is giraffe, elephant, rhino, everything. All fish. Everybody likes crocodile. Now Igbo people like her for dressing. All this thing is for dressing for your house.
So, and you can see the difference of statue here also, like a mother and child, tiny figure, fruit seller, and different of, you know, as you can see.
Which one is food seller?
Like this one now. You can see, these are the food seller. Understand?
What type of wood is that?
This one is ebony wood, but it's not part of, because the ebony, some ebony have the two colors. So these are the brown side, you know, is a brighter side of the wood, because the ebony wood normally black. But if the wood is not, you know, when we are cutting, when we go to bush and cut the wood, some wood is not ripe finish to come a real black. So these are the part of the ebony, understand? So but the real ebony wood is black, like this one now. You can see these are the ebony wood, and the same ebony wood, because if you carry it, you will see the heaviness of the wood. These are the other parts, you know, the same wood, understand? So that's it. So we have them different sizes like that. The big, smaller, and
So the one on the wall.
yeah, these are the marks made by wood and mentor. As you can see, these are the wood. So we designed it by the mentor, you know, to cover this some part of the face, you know. It's something that people are used to buy, take it to the house, you know, just for decoration. It's not something that maybe our forefathers before they'll be scared about it, that maybe they are worshiping or something like that. No, it's not like that. It's just for fancy. Nothing, no evil, nothing. Anybody can come and buy, you know, decorate your house, office, different places like that. Apart from the mosques or churches, so. But nowadays, I can tell you that it's something that some Christian and Muslim are buying to decorate their house or some office or some other places like that. It's not like something that olden days people say, no, I can't buy it. I know it's evil, it's this and that. So it's nothing like that. So it's a free work, nothing like evil or any other thing. So we have then different design like that. You can see the one that don't have a mentor, it's a plain wood. You see the one that we make as a round wood, you know, designed by also mentor work.
So like how much do you sell some of these things?
Some of them we normally sell according to the work. According to the design of the work. Sometimes, or depend the sizes. Sometimes, like this one now, you sell it maybe 12,000, 10,000. Like this one, we sell it 4,000, 5,000. So we have the smaller one. At the smaller size, we sell it maybe 2,500, 2,000. So different sizes like that, and depending.
As we are here, we see some of all these foreigners going about. You know, we see more foreigners here. So does that mean that it's foreigners that patronize this kind of business?
Sure. You know, for the arts itself, understand. I believe that this art, let me say it's foreigner, they are normally buy this art. But nowadays, I can see our people also, they are trying to, you know, they are coming up, they appreciate the art now than before. So understand. At least if you can see now, actually, before you see a black or any other, you know, they appreciate all these foreigners, they appreciate this art than other, than other African country. It's not everybody that like it. Even some Oyimbos, you see some of them, they will just come and look like this all this time. But most of them, they like it. For me, is that maybe because of the, you know, after you have a TV in your house, you have a cushion, you know, there's the only thing that you can, you know, to buy this kind of things, you know, put in your house, decorate, and when you have it in your house, just wake up in the morning, just look at the things that, because some of these things, even Nigeria, some of Nigeria don't know that something like this is exists, or they're doing it in this country. Because I went to one customer like that the guy was told me that this thing, no, I should be careful of this, don't spoil it, this and that. My guy take it, you know, we bought it come from the abroad or something. I say, what? You don't know that I'm the one that doing it. Understand? I asked the guy that, are you sure that your madam bought this thing come from abroad? Say yes, it's not from Nigeria here. I say okay. You see that kind of things. So some of them don't know that something like this is exist in Nigeria here.
Is it true that when this kind of things is kept in the house, is it true that spirits can enter it?
And that's what I'm saying. It's nothing like that. Understand? It's not like that. It's nothing like that. As olden days, before, actually our forefather, they are used something like this. Even till now, some of villagers or some of our, our valleys, they are still using it. But that was different.
Welcome back. Thank you and get a better life.